when problems come, they carry along with them all their relatives. It's like a friend. This is an African proverb. If a friend is coming, their friends who may carry all their relatives to you. So this African proverb is telling us that when problems decide to come to you, they will carry along all their relatives. You know, Africa is too native, it is too ancient and ethnic to that extent that they always compare things to simplicity. So it takes another thought for you to unlock the secret behind every African proverb. This means that whenever problem comes to you, there are also chances that other problems will be created by the same problem along the way, or there are chances that other bad situation will get the chance to utilize the current one and also enter into your life. Thanks to Africa.
I've been what's been on your mind. Lately you've been searching for a darker place to hide. That's alright. And if you carry on abusing, you'll be rough and mine. I refuse to lose another friend to drugs. Just come home.